So when we got back to the city, me and my cousin went out on a date. I had my first mani-pedi and we also went out for Japanese. For the majority of my stay in Manila, the weather was very gloomy and rainy, and I mean, I don't hate it because I like the cool weather, but it just made everything look so sad. But now we are on our way to a little pottery class. It was actually a great experience. It was my first time trying pottery, and we got to knead the clay and use the potter's wheel, it was just such a fun experience.
Naman yung water sa bowl mismo. Basahin na lang ating yung kamay, no? Tapos medyo, push in nyo lang yung pinakailalim. Ito, yung gagawin nyo ngayon, mag-shrink pa yan ng mga 10%.
The downside about the situation was, even if it only took a month for the studio to fire them up and ship them back to my cousin in Manila, these are still in Manila, and I have not seen the final product in person yet with the glaze and everything. So I hope they're okay. I hope my little babies are okay. But yes, when we were done, these were my end products. I am very proud of my little bowl babies. I hope I made my ancestors proud. A couple days later, we got to visit Pinto Museum, which is an art gallery that I absolutely loved. There were so many inspiring pieces, I don't understand how so much creativity could be in one place. Afterwards, we had Mexican food, and then we dropped by this little coffee stand. Yeah, you could see the city from there. It was very pretty. There was also this new puppy that one of the staff adopted, and she was so cute. Very cute dog. A very common theme for this trip was Japanese food. Like, the amount of Japanese food I had on this trip was amazing. It was great. Although at some point I was starting to get a rash from somewhere, and I didn't know if it was because I became allergic to shrimp or salmon or something along those lines. But right now, a year later, I'm fine. I can eat seafood and I don't get any allergic reactions. So I'm gonna blame the Manila water and the Manila air. There's something in that air. Oh my goodness, this matcha. So I am a strong believer that the best way you can eat matcha is through soft serve ice cream. Sure, you can drink it. Sure, you can put it in cake or something, or pancakes. But the best way to have matcha is in soft serve ice cream in a cone. It has to be in a cone. If it's in a cup, you are weak. It has to be in a cone. It matched well with the rainy weather, and it was like the stars aligned. Everything was just peaceful and calm. Matcha, soft serve ice cream with rainy weather. Perfect combination. You cannot change my mind. Is that Tanjiro? Is that Nezuko? Oh my gosh, Fairy Tail is my favorite anime! I'm joking. Throughout the last days of our stay, a couple of cringy, embarrassing, memorable moments happened, and till this very day, I still don't like thinking about it, but I might as well get it out now and hopefully be able to let this go. Like those cookies you saw, the store that they were from was completely run by staff that were hearing impaired, so you could only communicate with them by signing. The problem was, I took 20 to 30 minutes to decide what I wanted, and we were all just standing there. They were just waiting for me to choose. But in the end, we made it. We got the goods, and then we went to Starbucks.
Wow, no cow.
So I was waiting in line to use the bathroom, and then this Korean lady walked up to me and she asked if I was Korean. Now, a normal person would say either yes or no, and then everyone would get on with their lives. But no, things need to be more complicated than that. Or in my books, things cannot be that simple. I stood there for longer than I should have, right? Trying to decide if I should answer in Korean or in English, because I really wanted to try practicing talking in Korean. I didn't want to appropriate, is that the right way to say it? I didn't want to offend her. I don't even know what came out of my mouth. It was just mumbles. It was just a sound, a noise. The look that she gave in response was not good. She looked at me from head to toe and then turned away. She looked mad. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. During the whole trip, we really wanted to stop by a Mac cafe, and the only time we got to do that was at the airport. So here is past me adoring all the things that I wish we had here at home. Also, Tim Horton looks like Ryan Reynolds, and that's all I have to say. I really wanted to try it, but we already went to Mac cafe, and that's enough money spent for one day. So next time.
When I come back. Is that Ryan Reynolds? Macdo? Sino ba? Macdo?
The trip was pretty good. I just wish I had the guts to film more so that make more memories. I wish was less shy and talk to people more, but overall it was a good learning experience. It was a lot of things happened and I'm content. I'm content with it all. I'm very happy about it. Even now, a year later, I still appreciate everything that happened and I can still feel the same excitement from when I was there in person. So it's weird, but yeah.
My childhood questions have finally been answered. Oh my gosh, wow, there's our stop. Oh my gosh, he's loading it.